Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to show face orientation in Blender, so you can easily check your normals. First, go to the top right of your viewport and find the Overlays button. It looks like two overlapping circles. Make sure it's turned on. Now click the small drop-down arrow next to it. Scroll down and enable face orientation. Once enabled, your model will display in blue and red colors. Blue means the faces are pointing outward, which is correct. Red means the faces are flipped. These are back faces. In my case, everything is blue. Now, if you don't see any color or only see one color, don't worry. It's usually just a display setting. Go to Edit, Preferences, then open the Themes tab. Under 3D Viewport, scroll down to find Face Orientation Front and Face Orientation Back. If either of these has an alpha value set to 0, it will be invisible. Just increase the alpha value and choose any color you prefer. And that's it. Now you know how to show and customize face orientation in Blender.